All right, folks, what we got here is a 2021 Cadillac XT4. I'm going to check the air filter because the air filter light came on. All right, to get to it, it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws. Phillips screws or flat blade screws, depending how you want to look at it. And then, of course, you got the hose clamp over here. All right. And then you take this cover off and you slide it out. But I want to show you something. These are easy to get to. There's one here. See how it starts to curve in? You can't get to that one. So that one over there, it's very hard to get to. So I don't know if you have a screwdriver or something that has a little turn on the swivel, like a socket. They should have made these screws with a hex head so you can get a socket in there with a swivel, because you cannot get to it. But you got to work on it with either a Phillips or a flat and just turn it just enough so you can get it to loosen up. Otherwise, you are going to be there for a while. But anyway, after you got it all off, okay, this whole cover is going to slide up out of that little slots there. There's 2 little slots there. Okay, I'm going to take that out and get it with the other hand here. Need 2 hands, by the way. All right, you take it out and you can flip it over gently. You don't have to pull that harness off, but you can if you want to. And this is the filter. It'll come out right in your hand. Okay, so now this got about 30,000 miles on it. The filter looks very clean, except for this piece over here, which is the foam, but it's really not that bad. The filter itself is clean. Okay. You know what? I'm going to recommend changing it because it is dirty there. So, yeah, clean on the outside, but yeah, it must go through the film, and this is the part you got to peel back, and it is dirty. So, yeah, I recommend the filter. Let's see if anybody has it. All right. It's pretty wild. That's clean there, and you can see it's dirty over here. All right. That might explain why the air filter light is on. Let's see if they have one. Okay, because last time I looked for a different type of car, they didn't have the filter. Had to order it. All right, but that's it. Like I said, the hardest one is right here. This is the one that there is no way you're going to get that thing over there because you got this curve of the bracket. So you can't go straight down on it. You can't go this way on it. It's really, really bad. But you'll see it. All right, so I'm just going to change the filter, put it back together. These are the 2 slots that slide in. Close the cover. Tighten up the 6 screws. Put the hose clamp up here, and you're good to go. All right, let's see what the number is on this one. This is a GM AC Delco number. So go to AutoZone and we'll see what they got. All right. Thanks for watching. Ciao. And in case you want to know, AutoZone STP air filter SA12063 is what I have for the Cadillac. And here it is. All right. This is what's going in. All right. Thanks for watching. Ciao. And here is that screw that I was talking about. Look straight down. See, it's over here. It's on an angle. See? This one's a little rough, but it's okay. You can deal with it. All of these are straight up and down. This one, can't get to it. All right. Have fun putting it back. That's what I'm going to do here. Ciao.